Weather. Weather is what the air outside is like. Weather changes from day to day. Sunny. When the sun is shining brightly. Cloudy. When there are clouds on the sky, it is called cloudy weather. Rainy. When the water falls from clouds is called rainy. Windy. When there is fast-moving air, then the weather is windy. Snowy. When white pieces of frozen water falls to the ground from the sky in cold weather is snowy. Measuring weather change. Thermometer measures temperature. A wind vane tells the direction of wind. A rain gauge measures rainfall. Season. Spring. Spring comes after winter. The weather is pleasant. New leaves start growing on trees. Summer. In summer, days are hot and nights are warm. Days are longer than nights. Autumn. Autumn comes after summer. Autumn is cooler than summer. Leaves may drop from some trees. Winter. Winter comes after autumn. Days and nights are cold. Days are shorter than nights.